He hit down the ground the over before. Sri Lanka up for the fight.
Sri Lanka claim their ninth. England lead by 200.
Dragged it off. The changes wrangling one back at Ollie Pope, who's dragged it on. Area for him in the first innings as well. Nice grab will see coming down at an angle inside edge. Ball taking extra gone. With the intent, yes, Root Wokes now just fencing the one outside the off stump. There's movement to the
Maybe it's a little bit of movement away, as there has been for most of this day. Good bounce, fine edge, easily taken. Sri Lanka claim their ninth. England lead by 2.